Imagine batteries that never die. Nuclear diamond batteries offer this incredible potential, lasting an astonishing 28,000 years. Even the wealthiest man in the world, Elon Musk, plans to harness this technology for his manufacturing ventures. It may sound like science fiction, but it's the genuine reality created by Tesla. They've transformed nuclear waste into a 28,000-year energy source. Prepare to be amazed by this true scientific marvel. These nuclear diamond batteries have been under development for several years by a tech startup in California called Nano Diamond Battery CDB. Now, they may have completed the task in addition to releasing a consumer version that can power smartphones for more than a decade, not quite 28,000 years. The company claims it will begin selling the battery to its commercial partners within the next 2 years. Still, you can't gripe about not having to charge your phone for the next 10 years. The diamond battery will also boost SpaceX rocket technology significantly because it can power spacecraft as they travel millions of miles through the cosmos. In the future, these batteries might be used to power satellites, giving them the extra power they need to deorbit till the end of their lives or power long-lasting space expedition lore, and will notably benefit much from it. A nuclear battery known as a radioactive thermoelectric generator or RTG battery powers NASA's spacecraft SpaceX, which aims to carry people and cargo to Mars by 2029. IMDs or implantable medical devices must function for a long time without requiring a recharge. Additionally, it should be as small and light as possible. Photovoltaic cells, which are nuclear batteries, were frequently used in AMD throughout the 1970s, and the potential risk of radiation led to the switch to lithium-ion batteries. The use of beta-voltaic cells was reviewed in the 1980s. The diamond batteries are the ideal successor for the lithium-ion batteries being developed by Tesla and employed especially in light of recent developments in nuclear batteries. Other EV brands in electric vehicles ranges just about 500 miles with lithium-ion batteries. Your car, however, will be able to travel for several days without a charge thanks to nuclear diamond batteries. However, because the storm is still developing, the Nano Diamond Battery Company must disclose the battery's price. The complicated technology that goes into making these batteries. The method uses layers of microdiamonds stacked into a storm and radioactive isotopes extracted from nuclear waste. The diamond batteries are useful for medical devices that stay within your body for a long time, including pacemakers and hearing aids, because they can create energy for a long time. Machines that consistently need a small amount of electricity generated over extended periods are powered by batteries. Radioactive waste panels and diamond layers are added to the system to function. The battery's ability to transform nuclear energy viewed as a destructive element into something positive is something that physicists admire. Given that nuclear energy can be utilized to cause devastation, such as when it is used to create a nuclear weapon, this should be understood. As we previously stated, it is secure because it is made of a sturdy material that prevents access to power cells by outsiders. It also features a polycrystal coating that is highly dense and effective at containing radiation. In actuality, it has 12 times the density of steel. As a result, these batteries are regarded as being extremely secure. Every atom that we are aware of emits some radioactivity. Early test findings indicate that these new batteries emit even less radioactivity in our bodies, which is even less than our bodies do. Diamonds are incredibly effective electrical conductors and make a superb target for electronic equipment are used in the NDB system. In actuality, they conduct heat 4 times faster than steel do. These tiny diamonds are produced by scientists using chemical vapor deposition, a procedure where carbon is forced to crystallize on a substrate material by gases heated to extremely high temperatures. NDB acknowledges that this method has a cost bottleneck and is hence expensive right now. If enough of these diamond battery cells are coupled, they can power some of the most energy-intensive devices currently used on Earth, such as tablets and smartphones with LED displays. On the other hand, NDB plans to introduce its first commercial product line of smart watches in 2022. If this is the case, a single watch with a single battery might be owned and passed down through the generations without ever needing to be replaced. Think of it as an heirloom. The Storm, which is constructed of two different kinds of nano diamonds, produces its charge rather than storing energy from other sources, nearly causing it to crash. Suppose it applied to vehicles or other moving objects. The diamond battery is a beta voltaic device similar to photovoltaic solar cells, in that it turns beta radiation into electricity rather than light. It is created using chemical vapor deposition, which grows diamond fumes at high temperatures using C14 methane and hydrogen plasma reactor pots that have turned radioactive are the nuclear waste that NDB hopes to use to produce its batteries. Nuclear waste is hazardous, and its disposal is a challenge. Nuclear diamond batteries offer a potential solution. These batteries, made using radioactive isotopes, could convert atomic energy into clean power for an extended period. They may even be more cost-effective than cleaning up nuclear waste. With their longevity and potential for future electronics, diamond batteries hold promise.